Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News.
Hello, Super Thinkers! I'm Big Brain, and welcome to episode 77. If you're new to the news, we'll learn it together. Today, we've got tiny robots getting a mega memory upgrade, a shark that scoots like it has little feet, and a college baseball championship that had fans cheering like popcorn popping. Whoa! What if a robot the size of a sandwich could explore a twisty tunnel and never get lost? Engineers at MIT built a special computer chip that helps tiny robots store really big maps using only a teeny bit of memory. Think of memory like a robot's backpack. Usually, big maps need a huge backpack. But this chip is like a magic backpack that folds maps up super neatly, like a giant paper city map folded into a pocket square. So how does this help? Little robots sometimes explore places people can't easily fit, like pipes, air vents, or cluttered rooms under floors. If a robot can remember where it's been, it can choose smarter paths, avoid going in circles, and find its way back out. And because the chip is designed to use low power, it's like the robot is sipping energy through a straw instead of chugging it from a giant bucket. That means longer exploring time before needing a recharge. Speaking of exploring, let's dive into the ocean, because something down there is doing a very unusual kind of walking.
Okay, kids, time for the next story.
Did you know there are sharks that don't just swim, they scoot along the ocean floor using their fins like little legs? Scientists reported a newly described walking shark, and the name sounds like it belongs in a cartoon, but it's real science. Now, the shark isn't strolling around on land like it's going to the grocery store. It stays in the water. But on the seafloor, it can push and step with its fins, almost like doing a slow-motion underwater crawl. Imagine you're in a pool and you use your hands to walk along the bottom, kind of like that. This story is also a reminder of something amazing. People are still discovering and officially naming ocean animals. The ocean is enormous. It has dark, deep areas, twisty reefs, and hidden corners where animals can live without humans noticing for a long time. When scientists describe a species, they carefully measure it, compare it to similar animals, and write down what makes it special, like a very detailed creature ID card. And now, from the ocean floor to a baseball field, let's talk about a team that came away with a huge trophy.
Okay, kids, time for the next story.
Ready for a sports brain boost? Let's talk about the Men's College World Series, the big championship tournament for college baseball in the United States. College baseball is played by teams from universities, and the Men's College World Series is like a final mega tournament where top teams play game after game to see who can stay focused and steady. It's held in Omaha, Nebraska, and fans come to watch teams swing bats, snag flying balls, and sprint around bases like they've got rocket boosters on their shoes. Doing well in this tournament takes more than strong arms. Players study pitchers, practice timing, and learn teamwork signals, tiny hand motions that say things like, "Be ready," or "Watch for the next play." Baseball is a game of quick math and fast choices. When should you run? Where will the ball land? How do you throw it to the right base in time? And every year, one team earns the national championship, showing how skill, practice, and teamwork can come together under big pressure. That's a champion recipe you can use in lots of things, not just sports. That's our mini news adventure for today. Keep those neurons firing. See you next time. That's it for episode 77. Robots with super maps, sharks that scoot, and a baseball championship full of teamwork. Keep those neurons firing. See you next time.
See you tomorrow. Row!
Woo!